Alright, quick update on where I'm at with the mobile home, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm looking a little rough. I'm tired. I've been working my ass off. Put new doors in. Was going to put one up here, but I was basically framed in like complete shit. So I found this. It's a slider. And I might make a little barn door there. Bathroom up to date here. Pretty well knocked out. Still got some more work with drywall, whatnot. Door on here, and I built this as a custom door. I got built a really solid one for my bedroom, and I had to cut all these framings down, and that's just a lot of shimming. Looks like shit, but it gets covered. I brought the closet out another, I think I want to say 11 inches, so I extended it that way, and then I'm also going to bring it about another 18 inches in the back. And then we got this bathroom where I had a water leak, and while I was changing the plumbing, I seen that basically everything was fucked. So it was either cover it up or tear it out and do it right. You know, that's the question. How many of you would have just covered it up? Yeah, well, that's the problem, because the last person covered this shit up, and now this whole toilet is sagging right here. Listen, look at it. I don't know how this fucking toilet did not break through right here. So in this case, you know, yeah, seems like I'm doing more than I'm supposed to, but I mean, what the fuck are you supposed to do there? So wait till you fall through on the goddamn toilet when you're taking a shit? Not gonna happen. So I'm gonna do it right. I'm gonna insulate this a lot better. I could feel a draft basically coming from underneath this sink. That's what kind of started more investigation, is why do I got so much air, and what it was this is where these places connected. The two pieces come together, the seam down the middle basically, and they did 2x4s like this because this is where they nailed to each other. Well, this wasn't even nailed together, so it was causing a lot of air to come through there. Hence the siding on the outside's all fucked up, but this is some ugly ass paneling. I got some different paneling I'm gonna put on here. I'm about to put a new 3/4 inch plywood OSB subfloor in here. After I tear this one up, I'm just gonna put one sheet in. It's gonna be like 5.5 feet by 4 foot. I got my line drawn out. I got one vent, which I do not like the placement of it. I might move this bad boy over here closer to this wall or along that wall, but I gotta go underneath the house and hook all that up yet, and that's gonna be another day. But that's my beautiful girl. Good night.